Welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience and save times, and like and comment below your thoughts about this video and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get valuable videos notification, because these are usually just before sessions, so you need to, if you want to get something out of these videos, I believe you need to have notifications on. Anyways, let's move on with the analysis. Gold on a monthly time frame, we came to this rejection area. We start to reject. We have 1 week left, 7 days left for this monthly candle to close, but we didn't break the previous monthly lows. We broke the previous monthly highs, so technically as long as we don't break this candle can still close bullish. However, if we close bearish next month, break these lows, I believe there's gonna be a bearish momentum. Weekly, as of now, we tapped on this previous week. We tapped on this support level on this where previously was resistance. Also here was resistance, here resistance, and then here was just rejection. But now we're confirming it. As of now, we came filled this week. We never broke the lows of the previous weekly candle, and now we're starting to flip. So technically we need obviously candle closure to say, but we are finding some sort of support. On a daily time frame is the same scenario, where price is at the support level. We failed to break yesterday below these levels. We just came, tapped the support, and then still closed bullish. So today I anticipate a bullish movement if we break these highs here. If we can't break these highs, we will check on a smaller time frame, but if we break these highs here, I believe daily can close bullish. 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour, basically we are in a big range right over here. This is the resistance, this is the support of the range, so we are just bouncing from top on the bottom of the range. We need to break outside of this range for have a continuation to the downside or to the upside. So let's check on a smaller time frame to find the intercession levels. As of now, on 1-hour time frame, we have this support here, we have this resistance here, which is quite significant because we have also here resistance and it correlates with this level, and then we have again another major resistance, I would say around this level here. So for buys is very tricky, because if we break here, there is possible rejection in this level, then this level, then this level. So it's like very small clean traffic areas. However, for the downside, if we get the closure below here, I believe price can come and tap this support level, which is like 72.65. We have like 70 pips range. On 30 minutes is the same. We just have this resistance here, this support here, and then we have this traffic. Maybe like no, like this is no trade area for me. I'm just gonna put an alert here, and on one alert here, I'm not gonna be trading in this range. However, if we can break these highs and start rejection, something like this, for example, we can break the highs, came back, close rejection, break of the lows, we can have this sell. Same scenario can happen over here. We come back and then come back, and we break to the upside and then come back inside the range, form some sort of bearish movement, small support maybe, and then on the break of that support we can take these sells right over here. For sells, as I said, closure below here, break the lows, we can anticipate TP1 here and then TP2 somewhere over here. So we can trade these two ranges. For buys, we can have the same here as the same scenario as to the upside. We can have a break to the downside, come back inside the range without invalidating this setup here, and then on the break of the highs here, maybe we can take some buys, but inside the range, very risky buys, half risk for sure, but maybe even lower than half risk. And yeah, that's the analysis for gold. Let's go ahead on GJ. Let's check the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame on GJ already, bro, moved to the upside, but still failed to have that momentum after breaking these highs. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly broke the highs and now is flipping bearish. Nothing as of now. On a daily, however, we found this rejection zone, this resistance. We form resistance inside this range. So if we break these lows, I believe we have a clean traffic to 170 round level, which we can tap. Let's go on 4-hour time frame. Yeah, 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this rejection right over here came back, but we need a clean closure, because look, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5th time we can tap into this and then still move and retest the top of the range. So we are in this range on GJ. We need closure to the upside or to the downside to take any trade. For the downside on GJ, I believe we have this clean traffic here, which we can easily mirror, in my opinion, especially after this rejection here. So we have a range of almost 120 pips, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 110, 120, 110, 100 pips range, which we can easily take something out of this. Let's go in the smaller time frame. On the 2-hour time frame, we had this pure fake out. You see, we close above, but as long as we don't break the highs, you never take the buys, even though we closed above, because here also we closed above, slightly above, but we never broke the highs, and then price just return back. But we need a closure for sure in smaller time frame below here, like 1 hour. Now it's our candle formation. Let's see the 230-minute. Yeah, last 30-minute is bullish, so it invalidates our candle formation setup. But yeah, if we break these lows without breaking these highs, I believe we have a clean move to a downside, which I already have an alert from yesterday. I'm gonna put an alert to the upside just in case we form support here, we fail to break to a downside, and then we move to the upside. However, is the same as on gold. We break below, as long as we don't break the lows and come back inside the range. Break the highs, we can take some buys just like here. Break the highs, take the range. Break the highs, take the buy. Break the highs, take the buys. With break the highs, take the buys. Even after the bearish closure, the lows were never broken, nowhere here. So, and the highs were broken, so you can take the buys easily. Same will happen. The same scenario will happen also here. We need to be cautious not to jump into trade. We need to check the clean candle closures. And yeah, let's go quickly just in 30-minute time frame and see. A 30-minute time frame is now finding some sort of support, so we need to clearly see another 30-minute candle closure, whether we break the highs or we come and break the lows. If we break the lows, we need then those lows to be broken to take sells, and if we break the highs, we need those highs again to take the buys, because inside the range is quite tricky. But we have this clean traffic which we can mirror, because we had here clean traffic, we moved, we had here kind of clean traffic, we moved, we had here clean traffic, here clean traffic. Like, there's a chance that we might get this clean traffic corrected, but we need to see and evaluate, especially. But probably there's gonna be a trade on New York Open in 45 minutes, and by then we will have also another 30-minute candle closed. And yeah, let's go just quickly to check the Forex Factory. Today we have GBP news, it's gone already. We have this one, FOMC later in the day. So yeah, it's gonna be, tomorrow is unemployment claims, and on Friday we have core PCE price index. Okay, we will see, monitor. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I guess I'll see you on tomorrow's or tonight's, hopefully, a roundup, or tomorrow's daily update. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.